Black Diamonds is a collaboration between schools, the community, and corporations to bring resources to young women in the Northeastern Ohio area regarding education, regarding career opportunities, as well as mental and physical well-being, and financial aid or financial stability.
I'm excited to be here today to connect with other African American women, to meet new people, network, and just connect.
This conference is for women in a variety of stages. It's a 2-day conference. The first day primarily focuses on high school women, but the second day focuses on non-traditional women, ages 24 and up, who are looking to improve their educational or occupational opportunities.
This is my third time participating in Black Diamonds. I look forward to meeting new presenters and being able to use the knowledge that they provide to better enhance my skills.
It makes me feel very, very good to just see everybody that's making it in life, to come down to help our sisters.
I hope that everyone who comes to the Black Diamonds Conference will take away a sense of resilience. They will take away with a sense of I can, and that they have people out here who support them in that journey.
Attending an event like this makes me feel that I'm important, seeing that I'm around an all-women's crowd, and it's diverse, and I get to meet new people and I get to hear about their experiences.
The impact has been amazing. I have received phone calls and thank you cards, and we have received from counselors in every school that the young women have come back from the conference with a renewed hope and a renewed desire for excellence. We know that this conference is making a difference in the lives of so many young women who have attended it.
I'm excited to be here today because I feel like not only for myself, but I also get to give this opportunity to other Black girls so that they can come and learn things about maybe even themselves that they never knew about. So I think that it's a learning opportunity for both me and the students who I'm bringing along with myself.
I'm very thankful to be here, a part of Tri-C's Black Diamonds event, and I'm looking forward to years and years to come.
We are